Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rajni, gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon from Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. Now I'm going to talk about the breast secretions in an unmarried girls. So a lot of girls keep coming to us with secretions from the nipple. So any secretions from the nipple, if any unmarried girl or a girl of younger age group, if they see, they have to immediately consult your doctor and see whether it is normal or abnormal. Now talking about the breast secretions. So what is a normal breast secretion and what is abnormal breast secretion? Usually the normal any unmarried girl or any girl, usually they don't have any breast secretions, but sometimes there may be little bit of physiological secretions also from the breast. So that could be ignored, but sometimes the secretions will be like abnormal. It could be pathological. So most of the times it is pathological. So talking about the types of the discharges, the breast secretions can be watery, so it will be like a little bit of water, or they can be sticky mucus discharge, or they can be blood stain, that is secretions mixed with blood. They can be in yellow color, and there can be a greenish nipple discharge, and there can be a secretion of milk from the nipples. So if anybody experiences any of these kinds of discharges, they have to immediately consult the doctor and get the checkup done. So when any female coming to us with this complaint, first proper history, giving history is very important. Sometimes the secretions from the breast, like milk secretions, they can be because of the high prolactin levels in the body. So this high prolactin levels could be because of any drug side effects also. So the patient should be giving a proper history of whatever drugs they are using, or is it because of any drug reaction that they are having this milk secretion. So whenever a lady is going to a doctor or a patient comes to us with this complaint, when we are going to evaluate her, taking a proper history and a normal routine breast examination should be done. So where sometimes these secretions may be associated with other structural things, like a lump in the breast, there may be a retracted nipple, there may be an inverted nipple. So if we are seeing any such abnormality, if the girl is observing any such of lump or in the breast or anything like that, they need to immediately get an ultrasound scan also done to see what is the exact cause. So a lot of girls keep coming to us with lump in the breast, may be associated with or without this breast secretions. So if you after the ultrasound scan is done, these breast secretions which they are having, these breast secretions are sent for cytology of the breast, because always we have to suspect any kind of pathological causes in such breast secretions. So there are a lot of reasons for this breast secretions. Per se, if we see this blood stained white discharge, it could be a duct papilloma. There will be lot of milk ducts in the breast. Sometimes any growth like papilloma may lead to this kind of secretions like blood stain secretions and all. So by doing a simple ultrasound scan breast and the cytology of the breast secretions, we are going to know the cause of the breast secretions. So a proper evaluation should be done. So sometimes these lumps which are seen in the breast could be a fibroadenoma, which are generally commonly seen. For such conditions, there are medical managements. For some conditions, we may need to do a biopsy also. For some conditions like papilloma, we may need to do a excision also. So depending on after the excision, depending on the biopsy, then the further treatments goes on will be planned. So any breast secretions in an unmarried girl or any lady above 40 years or all, any breast secretions, please don't take it granted. Go to your gynecologist or your doctor, get a proper evaluation done, give a proper history and get an ultrasound and cytology, everything done, and take the treatment. And for all the girls who are there over there, So every month self breast examination is compulsory, that is must. So every month fix a date, a day in a month, and palpate your breast in all 4 quadrants, right and left breast, to see any lumps. If you suspect any lump or any abnormality in the size or shape, or if the nipple is getting inverted, or if you see any such lumps or things, immediately consult your doctor and get a proper evaluation done.